1, 2, 3, start. We fail to understand as to on what basis bail could be granted to other accused persons, including the storekeeper, while depriving the appellant from obtaining the said benefit. Stop. It is also beyond anybody's comprehension as to why the High Court was not moved for cancellation of bail granted in favor of other public servants, including the storekeeper. Stop. We, therefore, are of the opinion that in the facts and circumstances of this case, interest of justice would be subserved if it is directed that the appellant shall in the event. Stop. Any application therefore is filed by the investigation agency may be interrogated at any time suitable for the investigating officer, either alone or with other accused persons, shall be allowed. Stop. Appellant shall comply with such other direction or directions as may be issued by the learned sessions judge. Stop. If and when the learned sessions judge passes an order of the instance of the investigating agency or otherwise relying or on the basis of these observations. Stop. For the reasons aforementioned, the impugned judgment is set aside and the appeal is allowed with the aforementioned directions. Stop. Appeal allowed. Stop. Mumbai Municipal Corporation Act (start) 3 of 1888 Section 351. Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority Act (start) 4 of 1974, Section 4A, notice for demolition of building issued by Executive Engineer of Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority. Stop. In purported exercise of powers delegated to him under Section 4A of Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority Act, challenge as to authority of Executive Engineer to ensure notice finding by High Court that Executive Engineer can exercise or perform functions and duties delegated to him by Metropolitan Commissioner, and that provisions of delegation were situation made findings not challenged before Supreme Court, notices held, not illegal. Stop. Constitution of India Art 136. Stop. Constitution of India Article 136. Powers of Supreme Court. Prayer for injunction concurrently refused by two courts. Supreme Court will be very slow and cautious before it can take different view. Supreme Court can do so only if it finds that judgment of lower court is preserved. Stop. The appellant impugns the judgment and order dated 23/11/2006 passed by the learned single judge of the High Court of Bombay in an appeal from order number 688 of 2006 of City Civil Court, Mumbai, whereby the learned judge rejected the application for injunction after a detailed judgment dated 23/8 to 2006. Stop.